So now we need to home the platform. In order to do so, we will have to put the hood on, otherwise it won't go down. Remember that we have a switch in the back that blocks the motor. So we put the hood, and we go down until we touch the LCD screen, and there's also another switch that will stop the printer from crashing totally. It's extremely important that you loosen up the two knobs in the side of the platform, as I've shown you just before. We have now managed to home the platform. Everything is nicely tightened. What we need to do now is release slightly the platform from the base of the LCD screen. So we put on the hood, and we just need to go up 10 steps. Now we have enough space between the platform and the LCD screen to pour the resin. We open again. Get the resin ready. And we pour 25% of the bath, depending on what you want to do. You'll be surprised how much you get to do with that amount of resin. Once it's in, close the resin, keep it closed. Put the hood back. We went up 10 steps, so we need to go down 10. You will press home, it will go as well to the base. But it's better we do it gently, so we make sure that the resin can be displayed all around the LCD. So now that everything is down, we are ready to press play.